Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antique and our YouTube channels, demonstrating the china we're listing currently on the websites. And this morning, that's these duos made by Johnson Brothers. These were made 1950s, 1960s, and you might say, well, how do we know they're Johnson Brothers? Looking at England BY, what does BY mean? Well, let me show you the saucer because it becomes a little bit more apparent there. Here we go, Johnson Brothers, made in England. The angular crown mark with Old Chelsea on the top. That's not the pattern number, that is the sub-brand or series that these were made in. And again, BY on the saucer. These are the rationing coupon codes used by the factories during the rationing period in England between end of the Second World War and late 1950s. It gave the sort of price brand and was basically based on the number of colours and complication of the design. These have gilt decorated rims, some rotated rib moulding on them. The pattern itself is an autumn flowers design with gold, brown and black flowers with that gilt on a sort of creamish glaze. Classic period 1940s Johnson Brothers teacup with quite an angular formed handle, bit of moulding on there, a little bit of an arch break on it. Almost a high peak handle, but it's not coming above the actual plain rim of this teacup. Very nice clean condition. Again, marked just with the England marks, rotating ribbed on the outside wall, coming right the way around, as you can see, with a bit of rear design as well. Plain interiors in fine condition, no condition warnings on these. Only 3 of them unfortunately have survived, probably part of a bigger set. We are listing them with side plates. We've got dessert or salad plates, some dinner plates, some rimmed soup bowls, 2 tureens and a couple of platters, all in the same design. So the opportunity to put a small dinner service or breakfast service together in a 1940s, 1950s Johnson Brother pattern. We'll pop a link in the description below taking you through to the website listing. If you'd like to find out more, the measurements, details, everything's on there for you. And thanks for watching.